It's J. Lee.
It's Quann.
You know who it is.
Zombie gang.
So you know that bitch gon' slide.
Like this, my love. J, baby. Like this, my love. J, baby. I guess I'ma start something. She said to do this rap shit from the heart, then I'ma say it first. I love you, tear this world apart. It's gone. Baby, this world is spacious, so be gracious and be cautious. Cause I done been through so much hurt, this shit done made me nauseous. My heart on home, ain't about that anymore. You ain't know at all. Stand 10 toes with your bros, don't go. Use your head and never what's between your legs. Get what you want, cause a lot of them gon' say they love you, but they don't. That shit chasing my dreams and I feel like I made it. I'm the greatest, getting flashy, still impatient and dedicated. Shit ain't changing, we in the making. Shit ain't changing, we in the making.
Please save me from all this pain I'm in. Lord, forgive me for all the things I did. So if you ain't talking business, what the fuck you talking about? What is it? I smell that shit you talking, get my name up out your mouth. I am from the jungle, had to struggle just to make it out. Ask myself if I can make it, but I never had a doubt. No way. It's time for me to put my city on the map. Lots of drug abuse and suicide. Hearing about those homicides. Kids afraid to go outside just to even ride a bike. Is this how you wanna live your life? Walk outside, you may just die. Get addicted to the high. Spread your wings, you gonna fly. Fly away just like an angel. This is your last day. Lost your halo, not so graceful. Cause you lost face. Realize this is not the life, and now you cause pain. Please save me from all this pain I'm in. Lord, forgive me for all the things I did.